Hello everyone. Today we are going to understand Google Meet, which is one of the most powerful and popular video conferencing and video meeting app designed by Google. Here we will understand how to create new meeting, how to join an existing meeting created by someone, how to use the different options which are there in Google Meet application, such as closed caption, how to on off an audio video, how to present screen, etc. So let's start with Google Meet. As you are familiar with Google Meet is a video meeting by Google. It's a video conferencing app. It integrates with Gmail and Google Calendar. Means to use Google Meet, you require Gmail account, and you can use Google Calendar to create your meeting and to record your meeting on calendar. According to calendar, you can schedule and conduct the meeting regularly, daily. So how to download and use Google Meet? To download and use Google Meet on your smartphone, if you are using Android phone, you simply go to Play Store, then search for Google Meet and download the Google Meet. And if you want to use the Google Meet on iPhone, you go to App Store and then select Google Meet. They type and search Google Meet and then use the Google Meet in your app. And for the desktop and laptop, you need not to install anything. You simply have to browse meet.google.com. So let's see the practical demonstration. In this desktop, I have login with my Gmail account. Already login with Gmail account. You need to log in with your Gmail account to join the meeting. Here I am going to create a meeting on smartphone and will join the meeting on desktop. So desktop screen and the mobile screen is in front of you. So this is mobile screen. I have connected as my smartphone to this desktop. One portion of this desktop is showing the smartphone and another portion of this desktop is showing the browser. So I have already installed Google Meet on the smartphone. So select your start menu on your smartphone. Select the Google Meet app which is there. Tap when you open Google Meet. So this is the default screen will appear in front of you. On the left top corner there is a menu shows the login option. I already log in with my Gmail account on this smartphone. You can join with another account. You click on this account and you can add another account. Okay. So these two options are used to on and off the video as well as audio. If you want to off your video, you can select here. Your video will be off. No one will able to listen you if you start the meeting. And again, if you on the microphone, you will all the persons which are there in meeting, you will able to listen. They are able to listen you. And if you add your video, all the person in meeting able to view your video. And similarly, if you off the video, no one will see you. So here it shows the previously created meeting, and previously created meeting ID is there. When I was left from the meeting, and in front of that present and rejoin options are there. I can rejoin this meeting again. And if you are not created any previous meeting, so this option is not shown to you. So new meeting option is used to create a new meeting, and the meeting code option is used to enter the existing meeting code created by someone to join the meeting. So we are going to create a new meeting. On smartphone we will create a meeting, and on desktop we'll join the meeting. Joining meeting from desktop and smartphone is same. Nothing is different. So I am going to click on this new meeting. Tap this new meeting option on my smartphone. After I selecting this new meeting option, a meeting will be created. So after creating meeting, I will directly join in that meeting because I am the creator of this meeting, and I will create meeting and will directly join the meeting. And after creating meeting, so this dialog will appear in front of you. This dialog shows you can share your meeting URL to other people to join them in your meeting. So, so this is the URL of this meeting. You can share this URL directly from here also. So I am selecting the share option. I am selecting this meeting URL on WhatsApp. I am selecting here Datta Somoshi and selecting the forward. So this is the meeting URL. I am selecting the send button. So this is the meeting URL. Okay, in this way we can create the meeting. Again, I am exit from this. So I am close this. I am going to close this dialog with this close option. So I am currently now in meeting. Okay. So here it shows 1. It means I am the only person in this meeting. The second option is the chat option. If I select this, I can send the chat message to the persons who is joined in the meeting. And the next option, the last option is info. If I select this info option, you will get the meeting URL and attachment. Okay. So if I click on this option, you will exit from the meeting. And if you tap here and if you click on this option, you can also leave the meeting. Okay. So now you have created meeting successfully. Let some another people join in this meeting. So we have already shared the meeting URL to the WhatsApp number. So I'm again moving towards my desktop. I have already joined. I already logged in with Gmail account. And I'm opening the same WhatsApp here with web.whatsapp.com. Here is the meeting URL that is currently sent from the smartphone. Here I simply have to click on this. If I click on this, it directly joins the meeting. From your smartphone, if you click on this link, it will ask for the application on which you want to open this URL. You have to select their Google Meet, and this URL will be opened in Google Meet. After click on this Google Meet, you have to ask to join and let the creator of this meeting to join you in this meeting. So I am I am going to click on this URL. So after clicking on this URL, this message is appear in front of you. This screen is appear in front of you. You are ready to join. You simply have to click on this ask to join. Means you have to ask someone. Someone means the person who has created the meeting. You have to ask to join to that meeting. So I am going to click on this ask to join meeting. And if you want to present the meeting, you can use this option also. Similarly, you can on off the microphone and your video option also. Currently, video option is off here. and I'm going to click on this ask to join option. So after clicking on this ask to join option, so here you can see on your smartphone this message arise, someone called Datta Somoshi want to join this meeting. You can deny or admit. I'm going to click on the admit option. If I admit, if I admit, 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 I off both the microphone first. This unnecessary voice arises. Okay. So now on your desktop, you will see here the two persons are in meeting. Two persons are in meeting on your desktop. You can see here. This option you can use to chat with one another, or to give this chat message to all. Okay. From our smartphone, we will see what are the different options which are there. So I am selecting this chat option and I am typing the chat message hello and sending this chat message. So on desktop, so this message arrives sent by this Dipali Mole. Similarly, if you want to reply this message from your desktop, you have to click on this chat option. You can type here hi and you can click on this send message option. You will get this message on your smartphone. This Datta Somoshi is now saying hi. In this way, you can use this chat option. So now, if you want to speak something to all the peoples which are joined in the meeting, okay. So you have to select here. You can on the microphone and the video option. You have to on the audio microphone option. So now you will be able to. Now you will able to conduct the meeting. You can deliver your speech whatever you want to deliver. So all the people who are there in meeting is able to listen you. Okay, in this way we can conduct and create and conduct the meeting. Then another most useful option which are there is if you are going to present your screen. If you click on this closed caption option, whatever you are speaking, that will be automatically converted into text matter. So let's see the example. Hello, hello, hello. Similarly, other person will get your captions if they have on the captions. If you want now, finally, if you want to present your screen, mobile screen, then we have this option. If you select this, you will get these different options. First option is switch camera. This option is used to switch between your front and back camera. Turn off caption. This option is used to turn off your captions. Means you don't want to uh, if you don't want to display your speech in written format, you can turn off this caption. Then the next option is present screen. I am going to click on this present screen option. So if I selecting this option, it will show this message. People will see everything on your screen including notification. If you want to start If you want to present your screen, you have to click on this start presenting option. Finally, it again shows the message. You have to click on this start now. So now, whatever there in your screen, whatever there in your screen will be displayed automatically on the screen or desktop. Okay. So in this way, you can conduct and join the meeting. Hope you understand. Thank you.